guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to fix your macOS installation error. So to fix it, there's a couple things you can do. The first thing is trying to restart your own actual laptop or Mac device, or you can try to restart the update itself. But beware, you might actually try to brick your own MacBooks if you try to do this. So the first thing you can do is go up to your startup disk right here and then try to restart it right here. So if this doesn't work right here, all you have to do is actually go to your disk utility from here, and you will have to do a first aid check on your own drive, or you might just not have the enough storage for the update itself. So you might just check that out, because these are the simple things that will make you not have to update and actually just reset the whole thing. So if everything else will fail, the only thing you can actually do is have it reset to its factory reset. And that's the only thing you can do from there on. And you'll just have to back up all your files right here so that you'll be able to back it up and then install a new version of macOS. But if this doesn't work, that's the last option only you can pursue. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.